Chief Minister Ibobi inaugurates Jiribam district, assures development of infrastructure in the new district. Tamai MLA Kikonbao Nyumai resigns from Congress party and as MLA in protest against creation of 7 new districts. UNC President Gaidon Kamai and Publicity Secretary Stephen produced in court, remanded to 7-day police custody. And US Ambassador to India highlights physical challenges faced by Northeast states at Indo-Asia Connectivity for Shared Prosperity Conference. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News. I'm Priyobarta Sharma with all the top stories and latest news of today. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi has inaugurated Jiribam district this morning. The inauguration took place a little later after 11 a.m. at the office of Deputy Commissioner at Jiribam Chingdong Lekai. Okram Ibobi unveiled the plaque in presence of Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam. It may be recalled that the State Cabinet declared the creation of 7 new districts, including Jiribam in Manipur, on the night of December 8th. In his inaugural address, the Chief Minister assured the people that the government will ensure the required infrastructure of a district to Jiribam. He also said the necessary offices will be set up soon. Ibobi said students of Borobekra Higher Secondary School will be allowed to appear in the examinations conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education and necessary steps will be taken to ensure it. Observing that the 9-kilometer road from Jiribam to Borobekra subdivision is in a deplorable condition, the Chief Minister said he would direct the department concerned to repair it. He also added that a fire service station will be set up at Borobekra subdivision. Congress MLA of Tamai Assembly Constituency Z. Kikonbao Nyumai has resigned as an MLA and also from the primary membership of the Congress party, becoming the 5th MLA to resign from the Congress party and as MLA. He cited the creation of 7 new districts without consulting the Hill Area Committee and the disapproval of the Congress party by the people of Tamai as reasons for his resignation. Speaking to media persons at his official residence at Lamphel, he said the Congress is a good and a dear party to him. However, due to the pressure from the people of Tamai, he had decided to quit the party. Also, a vice chairman of the Hill Areas Committee, Z. Kikonbao Nyumai, said the government led by Chief Minister Okram Ibobi has not taken up developmental programs in the hill areas. However, the government created 7 new districts without any consultation with the Hill Areas Committee, which is against the constitution. Replying to a media query, the MLA said he has not yet taken any decision to join a party. However, people of Tamai have expressed their desire to see him join another national party.
Anova district trade creator yam nungai administrative convenience ki damak tani ekoi su thajai asi district pibasida ekoi hill area committee ge knowledge tadi ama ko tanaba leite constitution na piriba article 371C aduga Manipur Legislative Assembly ki order 1972 gi matung inadi all scheduled matter relates to the hill areas shall be within the purview of Hill Area Committee. Hill Area da tanable laite asida koi nungaite. This is a violation of the Constitution. Congress tigi resign over maramdi. Aigi praja aigi missing mayam sina party hungdabani party hungradi nahak koi support toroi.
United Naga Council President Gaidon Kamai and Information and Publicity Secretary Sankwit Stephen were today produced in the court of Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal East at Lamphel. They were produced before the judge after the completion of the 7-day police remand by the Tadubi police. The prosecution submitted to the court papers regarding the cases against them in connection with the indefinite economic blockade. The judge asked the investigating officer if he was able to get the information from them regarding the burning of vehicles and arrest the culprits. The IO told the court that efforts are on to arrest 7 members of UNC, including the secretary. The judge then asked Gaidon Kamai if he knew the persons mentioned by the IO and if he had directed them to set fire to the vehicles. Gaidon Kamai told the court that he knew the persons and that he asked them to protest in a democratic way, not to indulge in violence. He also prayed for bail. The court then remanded them to 7-day police custody. Politicians, including Janata Dal United Manipur Unit Vice President M.A. Zabir, One member of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee and 6 members of BJP Manipur Pradesh have joined the regional party Manipur National Democratic Front MNDF today. The new entrants to the party were welcomed at a function held at party's office at Babupara. MNDF President CH Priyokumar, Senior Vice President Bijoy Koijam, along with executive members of the party welcomed them. The party aims to field 40 candidates in the upcoming assembly polls. Speaking to media, Senior Vice President Bijoy Koijam said issues facing the state could not be resolved as the politicians waiting for direction from the party high command from the centre. He appealed to the state government and centre to hold talks with the UNC to end the economic blockade.
Imphal Jiri Lambi Lakpada, Equigi driver Singda, Kulai Pava Singna, Equi Etek Toxalakpa, Madu Miu Bigi Sajat Nati and Lowy. Manipur Sarkar, Asina, Mahaki, Angamba, Rejabi Tadana, Manipur, the two Irang Singasa, Masilu Senabo Honabana, a Pavu Garina Kali, Center de Lapa Union Minister Singna, Huzik Labor Blockade Asilo Shenbagi, Wangang Angwi Mohuta, Pimasil Nuxinadanaba, Ngangba, Masi politically Tobani Haiba, Manipurgi, the Secretary Hangapada, Raza Singda Yamna, Karhedare, provocative Wang Ama, leaders in Nangwasakwe, Emily, Kimakedita Sena, Yaning the Pawi.
A 2-day Indo-Asia connectivity conference kicked off today in Kolkata to boost regional economic connectivity between India and the countries of South and Southeast Asia and to explore investment opportunities. The US Consulate General, in association with Washington-based East-West Center, the Indian Chamber of Commerce and Kutch Consumer Unity and Trust Society International, is organizing the Indo-Asia Connectivity for Shared Prosperity Conference. US Ambassador to India Richard Verma emphasized the potential of the Northeast India at the conference, which kicked off at Hotel Oberoi, Kolkata. The 2-day conference that is centered around 4 key issues that will have huge impact on the BIMSTEC and BBIN regions is being attended by key policy makers, business leaders, government officials, media representatives, academics and civil society organizations from India, South and Southeast Asia and US. Impact News Editor-in-Chief Yumnam Rupachandra is among few select media persons from the Northeast attending the conference. In his opening remark, Ambassador Verma recalled his recent visit to Northeast states including Manipur. He underlined the physical challenges faced by the Northeast states in the connectivity picture. He said Manipur and Mizoram was emerging as gateway to Southeast Asia. He also emphasized the need for people-oriented progress as well as bridging the digital divide. Scheduled Tribe BJP Tamenglong District and Nungba Mandal BJP office was inaugurated today at None. President of ST Morcha BJP Manipur Pradesh Michael Dangmai, President of ST Morcha Tamenglong District Ading Gonmai, former Minister S. Ibohol were present at the event. Later, a political conference was also held. BJP Sagolban Mandal organized one-day BJP workers' conference today at Kakulong in connection with the upcoming assembly polls. BJP aspiring candidate from Sagolban, Dr. K.H. Loken, BJP leader and former Minister of Assam Jagdish Bhua, and former President of BJP Manipur Pradesh Shanti Kumar Sharma were among those who attended the event. A man was found dead near the Inter-Village Road in Rangchang under Chakpikarong police station around 4:30 this morning by the people of the village. According to police, the deceased is dark complexioned and about 5.1 feet tall. He was wearing a shirt that had the Heritage Convent Imphal logo and blue jeans. The body has been kept at Jennings Morgue. Heading into a small commercial break, we'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News.
Angels Coaching Center, Uripok Polemlaikai Imphal. Admission starts for Class 10 Revision and Class 1 to 10 Foundation. Our achievements: 11 position holders in 2013, 2014 and 2015, 20 position holders in 2016, including first positioner.
There is an unparalleled coaching center in Manipur. I see success in agile coaching yarn everybody. I see success in Pauzenzaba,
Northeast India Development Party asi iramda Manipur gi chakwa thorangi damakta hiram khuding da kathokpaga loinana apunbagi pangalama sagaliba political party amani NEIDP na lisani tara tarita pangthoka doriba taramanthoi suba Manipur Legislative Assembly mikhalda party asigi damakta miyagi mahut sinduna laibaki thodang lobinabagi damakta tampaki constituency nifumakta mirep oibiningba madik charabam di laibaki chana kanglongi oina akaiba leiti haibagi kudam leibiba masa masagi constituency da miyagi support fanglaba miyoy sina paujada sipizari arepa apamba leibiba sina isagi biodata makada pizari basari yohon birakna kanganzari ba Northeast India Development Party Sagolban Tera Lakrak Mumbai Imphal West.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Admissions open. Temple of Learning School gi admission hauzare loinana school lasina chahi tarama pung farak pagi harau tayama phongdok paga iroinana satra sing ming chanbada kudong chaba kayam pizari kudong chaba sing asi akaknaba sit khara khakini thuna ming chanbiyu kudong chaba sing si mangan biganu akupa marol gi damak Temple of Learning Kanchipurda contact tobiyu.
Welcome back. You're watching Prime Time English News. Works Minister KSH Biren today provided financial assistance of 20,000 rupees to injured truck driver Kulem Ibomcha. Ibomcha was hit by a bullet on his right arm by the suspected economic blockade supporters on Monday night in None. MLA of Konthokjam K. Sharat and President of TDC H. Ranjit also provided financial help to Ibomcha. The 37th State Level Science, Mathematics and Environment Exhibition 2016 was held today at Lamyan Bashang Lane in Palace Compound. Department of Education S Science Unit and NCRT New Delhi organized a science exhibition on the theme Science, Technology and Mathematics for Nation Building. School students from different districts of the state displayed various science models at the exhibition. Speaking at the event, Education S Director N. Pravin urged the teachers to help the students to make the science exhibition a success. He also stressed the need for the positive teacher-student relationship. Department of Education S Science Unit today organized one-day science seminar on food security at Lamyan Basang Lane in Palace Compound. Students from various schools of the state took part in the seminar. Professor of Agronomy College of Agriculture L. Nabachandra spoke on the essential foods to be kept to keep the body fit and healthy. He also spoke on diseases caused by lack of nutrient-rich foods and effects of overeating. Later, the students interacted with the experts. A section of Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIPR Manipur has been shifted to its new building located at Kashampa today. DIPR has been functioning from a temporary office at MSRTC complex Moirangkhom. The newly recruited staff of the department along with news, photo, video and publication staff have begun working at new office from today. The 47th Foundation Day of Southern Imphal Cultural Organization SICO was celebrated today at Kwakethel Loremam Lekai Football Ground. Speaking on the occasion, MLA R.K. Anand appreciated the contribution of SICO to the development of art and culture and encouraging many sports persons, especially in football. While appreciating the hard work of the club members, R.K. Anand assured them of all possible help from his side. As part of the event, an exhibition football match between players including renowned players and artists from Manipur and international players was also held. Philosophical Writings, a book written by Swayam Lokendrajit, was launched today at an event held at Manipur University Court Hall. The book, edited by Dr. L. Biswajit Sharma, was published by Swayam Educational Foundation Kashampar and APDC Uripok. Vice Chancellor of Manipur University of Culture, Professor N. Khagendra, also attended the book launch. And now sports news. Amju team has emerged overall team champion in the 8th Northeast Media Sports Festival. The festival was held at Nehru Stadium, Guwahati. An 8-member team of Amju competed in different events in the sports festival, which began on the 7th of this month. In yesterday's badminton single and team events, members of Amju beat their rivals. In the league matches of the 3rd state level cash prize junior volleyball tournament, YVA Ngarambam beat YSA team B Lilong Chandrakhong 25-23, 25-19, 25-22, while YSA Team A Lilong Chandrakhong beat BBY CP Mayang Imphal 25-11, 25-23, 25-15. In the third match, NYVA Naurem beat Bhakhe Sana Kaithel 25-22, 25-22, 25-11. In the fourth match, YVA Ngarangbam beat Igo Oinam 25-19, 25-22, 24-26, 21-25, 15-11. Organized by the Young Sporting Association Lilong Chandrakhong, 8 teams are participating in the tournament that kicked off yesterday. Tata Football Academy Jalandhar and Aizawl FC Mizoram beat their rivals in under-16 Rest of India 3 league matches held under the aegis of All India Football Federation. In the fifth match played today at Kumalampak Main Stadium, Tata Football Academy Jalandhar beat Numligar Refinery Limited Football Academy 4-0. RB Rana, DK Rajak, Pukhrambam Manisana and W Jagoi of Tata Football Academy Jalandhar scored in the 23rd, 54th, 68th and 92nd minute of match respectively. And in the sixth match, Aizawl FC Mizoram beat Sale Football Academy Bokaro, Jharkhand 1-0. R. Larin Lungwa of Aizawl FC Mizoram scored in the 26th minute of the match. Remaining matches of the league will be played on the 16th of this month. In the Ngangkham Boboi Memorial 2nd Division Football Tournament matches played today, SSC Sekta beat ASYC Andro 2-0. In the 33rd league match played today, Robinson and H. Henry scored in the 26th and 52nd minute of the match respectively. The tournament is organized by Imphal East District Football Association at Thambalnu Sports Complex, Porakhongjal. And in ISL, Atletico de Kolkata have entered the final of the Indian Super League after goalless draw with Mumbai City FC. Athletic de Kolkata, reduced to 10 men from the 43rd minute, reached the final of the Super League on goal aggregate after playing out hard tackling goalless draw with Mumbai City FC in the second leg semi-final at Mumbai Football Arena last evening. ATK had won the first leg encounter between the two teams 3-2 on December 10th and will now meet the winners of the second semi-final between Kerala Blasters and Delhi Dynamos in the summit clash at Kochi on December 18th. And before we end, the headlines once again. Chief Minister Ibobi inaugurates Jiribam district, assures development of infrastructure in the new district. Kamai MLA Kikonbong Nyumai resigns from Congress party and as MLA in protest against creation of 7 new districts. UNC President Gayon Kamai and Publicity Secretary Stephen produced in court, remanded to 7-day police custody. And US Ambassador to India highlights physical challenges faced by Northeast states at Indo-Asia Connectivity for Shared Prosperity Conference.